Now today we will begin exercise 4.3. It is the factorization. It is based on the factorization of two perfect squares. Difference of two perfect squares. Factorization of difference of two perfect squares. Now first you see what is the meaning of perfect square. So perfect square means whole square. It is whole square. Means पूरे term का square, not only of a part. Perfect square means it is the whole square, means this is the square of whole part, whole term. It's clear. Now you can see here. Suppose if this is written 4x square, whether it is a perfect square. So who can tell?
Yes, sir.
Whether it is a perfect square. So it
Yes,
is
sir.
not
Yes.
the perfect square form. It is not written in the perfect square form. Why? Because here there is the square of x only, not of 4. Not of 4. But we can write it in the perfect square form. And how can you write it in the perfect square form? 2x ka whole square. It is clear. This can be written 2x ka whole square. For example, if it is written 9y square, so it is not in the perfect square form. It is not in the perfect square form. Why? Because there is 9 is not written in the square form. 9 क्या है? स्क्वायर के फॉर्म में नहीं लिखा है. Only y is written. But we can write it in the perfect square form in this way. 3y का
whole square.
3y का whole square. How will you read? 3y का whole square. And how will you read this? 3y square. Now all of you see here. With the difference, it is 3y square. And this is 3y ka whole square. Bracket is there, so it is 3y ka whole square. Now suppose there is one 16 into x minus 2y. Whether it is in the perfect square form? So no. It is not written in the perfect square form. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ 16 स्क्वायर के फॉर्म में नहीं लिखा है. This part is written here. This much part is written in the square form. This much part is written in the square form, but 16 is not written. So how will you write it? So हमको मालूम है 16 किसका होल स्क्वायर होता है? 4 का.
4.
किसका होता है? 4 का. So you write down 4 into x minus 2y whole bracket close whole square. It's clear? Means 4 within bracket x minus 2y एक common bracket के अंदर लिख दिया गया है and then उस common bracket का whole square. When you will multiply it inside, it will become 8x minus not 8, 4x minus 8y का whole square. 4x minus 8y का whole square. It is clear? Now suppose if it is 121, 3x minus 2y का whole square. It is also not written in the perfect square form. क्योंकि 121 क्या है? It is not written in perfect square form. But how can you write it in perfect square form? So 121 is the square of 11. 121 किसका स्क्वायर है? 11 का. So you multiply 11 से inside the bracket multiply करेंगे. 11 से inside the bracket multiply करेंगे तो क्या होगा? 33x minus 22y का 33x minus 22y का होल स्क्वायर। Have you understood? सबको समझ में आ गया? So see here. Now how will you do this? So what is the formula? A square minus b square. So here it one bracket a plus b and in the other bracket there is a minus b. एक ब्रैकेट में a plus b है and in the other bracket a minus b. Now you take some questions. So I am taking the questions from your exercise and I will mention the question number also. So you can see here. Question 1, second part. Here 9x square minus 1. If you see carefully, you will find that 9x square can be written in the whole square form. क्या लिखेंगे?
3x का whole square.
It will be 3x का whole. Then 1 can also be written.
1 का whole square.
1 का whole square. So you will find that it is of what form? It is of the form a square minus b square.
Minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b.
Don't speak in between. Don't speak. Let me explain. Otherwise, others will not be able to. ये ऑनलाइन क्लास है ना, तो इसमें डिस्टर्बेंस हो जाता है। एक बार में एक ही साउंड जा पाएगी। So see here, a square minus b square. It is of this form. Now Subraj Kapoor, you tell me here what will be in place of a. अगर इसको इससे कंपेयर करें तो a के प्लेस में क्या मिलेगा? सुभराज, अथर, आन्या, you answer me. a square minus b square से अगर इस चीज को कंपेयर करें, so what will you find in place of a?
3x.
3x. Find 3x. It is clear. What will you find in place of b?
1 square.
1 square या केवल 1?
1.
b के 1. b के प्लेस पर 1. So what will be a plus b? बोलो. a plus b.
x plus 1.
bx plus 1. Then here a is 3x, b is 1, so it will be 3x minus 1.
1.
Are you understood? Are you understood or not? Now question number.
Yes, sir.
32x square minus 18y square. So first you see whether anything is common from both the terms. There are how many
Yes,
terms?
sir.
There are two terms. One term is this and other term is this. अब अगर हम देखें तो लिटरल टर्म से, लिटरल टर्म क्या होते हैं? x, y, z, a, b, जो ये अल्फाबेट्स हैं, ये लिटरल टर्म्स करते हैं। तो लिटरल टर्म्स में तो कुछ कॉमन नहीं। नंबर्स में देखो क्या, देखो क्या है, what is HCF of 2? Here we can take out 2 common. It's clear? So
Yes, sir.
2 you take out common. When you will take out 2 common, what will you get?
16x square.
16x square.
16x square minus
9y square.
9y square. Now you can see here. We can rewrite this in what way? 16x square.
4x का whole square.
4x का
Whole square.
minus
3 3y का
3y
होल
whole
स्क्वायर।
square.
3y का
Whole square.
square. Now if you compare this from this, what will you get in place of a?
So 4x
4x।
square.
फिर से देखो, इसको इससे कंपेयर करना है, तो a के प्लेस पर क्या आ रहा,
4x।
क्या आ रहा बताओ a के प्लेस पर?
3
In place of a there is 4x and in place of b there is
3y.
3y. तो एक ब्रैकेट में क्या हो जाएगा, 2 तो रहेगा ही, इन वन ब्रैकेट a प्लस b 4x प्लस 3y, इन द अदर ब्रैकेट 4x माइनस 3y. Are you understood?
Yes, sir.
सबको समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
yes
Yes, sir.
Now you
Yes,
take
sir.
one question. Question number 5, first part. Here 2x minus 2y whole square minus 50y square. It's clear? Now see here. You can see what is common in between both the terms. Here this will not be expanded. इसको expand नहीं करेंगे because this is already in whole square. Therefore, there is no need. So, what is common in between these two? Who can tell?
So y.
Y is not
Sir,
common.
two.
क्योंकि Y तो whole square के अंदर only 2 is common. Y तो इसके अंदर बंद है, तो वो तो कॉमन हो ही नहीं पाएगा.
yes
So
sir
what is common? 2 is common.
2
So you take out 2 common. When you will take out 2 common, you put the big bracket. क्योंकि small bracket already ये use कर रहा है. समझे? Now what will be left here? X minus 2y का whole square minus what will be left here?
25y square
25y square. Now all of you see here. If you see here, you will find that this is in the perfect square form. ये तो whole square के form में है. It's clear? But this is not in the whole square form. This is not in the whole square form. We can write it in the whole square form. And how will you write?
5.
So 5y का whole square.
Yes. It will be 5y
5y
का
का whole square
whole square. It is clear? So you can see here. It is of a square minus b square. A square minus b square will be a plus b in one bracket, a minus b in the other bracket. एक ब्रैकेट में a plus b हो गया, एक ब्रैकेट में a minus b. Now see here. If you compare this thing with this, what will you find in place of a?
x minus 2y
X minus 2y. And what will you find in place of b?
5y
5. एक भाई किसके घर से मम्मी की आवाज आ रही है? ऑडियो टर्न ऑफ रखा करो, या कहीं कोई जहां पर आवाज ना हो वहां बैठ. तो see here. So 2. Here in place of a you find x minus 2y. In place of b you find 5y. पहला ब्रैकेट क्या है, a प्लस बी, a प्लस बी, तो a तो ये लिख लो, x माइनस 2y प्लस b is how much, 5y,
5y
then x minus 2y minus b is what,
5y.
it's clear. Now see here, this is 2. When you will simplify, what will you get? Minus 2y plus 5y.
3y.
3y
And x minus 2y
minus
minus
7y.
5 minus 7y. It is clear?
Yes,
This
sir.
way you can do. Now you take one more question. And this question you will see carefully. इसमें थोड़ा सा लोग मिस्टेक करते हैं, कहां पर वो अभी हम बताएं. First you see whether what is common in both the terms.
2.
एक टर्म तुम्हारा ये है, one term is this and the other term is this. What is common?
2.
2.
When you will take out 2 common, it will be 16 minus x minus
x minus 4 का whole square.
whole. Now 16 can be written as
So 4 whole
4 का whole square.
minus x minus 4 का whole square. It is clear? Now you see here, this is of what form? A square minus b square.
B square.
A square minus b square. What is the formula? A plus b, a minus b. Now what is in place of a?
4.
4
A के place पर 4. What is in place of b?
X minus 4.
Minus 4.
X minus 4. You can write in this way. This way you can write. Put this way. It's clear. Now see here. So 2. So in one bracket a plus b. A is how much? 2. Plus b is how much? X minus.
X minus 4.
Now see here. यहीं पर अगले ब्रैकेट को लिखने में लोग गलतियां करते हैं. A minus b. So you will write 4 a के place पर. But when you will do the minus, what will happen? इसके साइन चेंज हो जाएंगे. जब माइनस करेंगे b को, then sign will be changed. Minus x plus 4. So see here, this and this cancel. This is equals to 2x. 4 plus 4. This. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ये ब्रैकेट में ध्यान देंगे a minus b. It's clear? Now see here. Question number 7, first part. We'll see first part. 50x square minus 2x minus 2 whole square. So you see, first you see what is common in between both the terms. क्या x common है?
2
X is common or not?
No, sir.
क्यों नहीं कॉमन है?
No,
क्योंकि ये
sir.
होल स्क्वायर के अंदर. So x is not common. So you
Yes,
take
sir.
out common. What will be left?
The 25.
25 का whole x square.
minus here x
X
minus
minus 2 का whole square.
whole square. It is clear? Now you can see it. 25x square can be written as
5x का whole square.
Whole square.
x minus 2. So when you will apply this formula, a square minus b square. So in one bracket a plus b, in the other a minus b. What is in place of a here?
5x.
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 x के place पर. What is in place of x?
So x minus 2.
X minus 2. It will be x minus 2. So now you write down a plus b and a minus b. So 2 to hai hi. A plus b, that is 5x plus x minus 2. Then 5x minus x plus 2. So see here 2. 5x plus x, 6x minus 2. And here 4x plus 2. Now see here, if you see both the brackets carefully, what will you find? पहले bracket में क्या common?
2.
2.
2. In the other bracket,
Also 2.
yes. So you will write 2 into 2 when you will take out common 3x minus 1. When you will take out 2 common from this bracket, 2x plus 1. So 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8. 2x plus 1. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So now I will take the different type of questions. जो कुछ अलग type के हैं. Now you can see here question number 8. 4a square minus b square. This is 2a plus. Now all of you see here, if you see, then you can find here that this is the whole square of, ये किसका whole square है?
So 2.
2.
पूरा term. This complete
2a.
term. This is the 2a. And this is whole square of.
B.
When you will simplify, when you will factorize
2a
only this
minus
part,
b into 2a plus b.
you will get in one bracket 2a plus b and here 2a minus b. It's clear? And here there is 2a plus b. So we will do the grouping. हम क्या कर लेंगे? Grouping कर लेंगे. आया समझ? एक ग्रुप ये हो गया और एक ग्रुप ये. Now what you can write the first group? 2a का whole square minus b. From the second group you take out one common. What will be left? 2a plus. Now see here, this is the difference of two perfect squares. So in one bracket 2a plus b, 2a minus,
2a minus.
this is 2a plus b. Now you can see here, you have factorized to one group as this and the other group as this. What is common in both the groups? इस ग्रुप में और इस ग्रुप में क्या कॉमन?
Sir, 2a plus b. Sir, 2a.
2a plus b
A
is
plus
common.
B.
When you will take 2a plus b is common, what will be left here? यहाँ क्या बचेगा?
2a minus
2a minus b
A
plus
minus B plus 1.
Plus 1. So now you rearrange, you write this 2a plus b, and this also you write in a small bracket 2a minus b plus. It's clear? Now see here. Here, question number 9, second part. A into a minus 1 minus b into b minus 1. Now I will open the brackets. क्योंकि बिना ब्रैकेट ओपन किए हुए कुछ होगा नहीं यहाँ पर. Nothing is common as in this way. Nothing is common. So a into
a square.
square minus a. But when you will open the bracket here, so since there is minus sign, therefore on opening the bracket sign will be changed.
change.
So it is minus b square minus minus plus. It's clear. So now you can see here. This can be written as a square minus b square. You rearrange the term. A square minus b square you write together. And then minus a plus b. What will you write? A square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. When you will take out minus common, what will you get? A minus b. Sign will be changed. Now a minus b is common from both. So what is left here? A plus b minus 1. A minus b common लेंगे तो यहाँ बचेगा a plus b, and here what is left? 1 is left.
1.
So this way you will do. Question number 9, question number 10. These questions in first part, 11th also, they are of same type. You can see here. Question number 10, second part. 9x to the power 4 minus x square plus 2x plus 1. So if you see this, you can find that this is the whole square of x plus 1. X plus 1 whole square. A plus b whole square. What is the formula? A square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. Means it is x square plus 1 plus 2x. It's clear? X square plus 1 plus 2x. So we can write this as x plus 1 का whole square. But उसको हमको show करना पड़ेगा. So what will you write? 9x to the power 4. So 9 किसका square है? 3 का. X की power 4 is the square of x square. So this you can write 3x square का whole square. Minus दिस इज x का होल स्क्वायर, 1 का होल स्क्वायर. इज क्लियर? a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is 2 into a into b. A square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. So see here, this is 3x square whole square, and from here what can you write? You can write it as a plus b ka whole square. So it is x plus 1 ka whole square. It's clear? This we have used this formula. A square plus b square plus 2ab equals to a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. So now it is of what form? It is of form a square minus b square. What is in place of a? Who can tell?
3x square,
Yes, in place of b.
x plus 1,
x plus 1.
Yes. So a plus b will be 3x square plus x plus 1. A minus b 3x square, and when you will do the minus, it will become minus x minus this. This way it can be factorized. So have you understood?
Yes,
Now
sir.
see here. Similarly, if you see this question, 11th question, first part. Nine x to the power 4 minus x square minus 12x minus 36. If you see these three terms carefully, you will find that it is like a square. It is like 6 square, b square. And this is 2ab. So 2ab, 2 into a into 6. 6 2 ja 12. It's clear? So it is 12. So we can write it in this way. 9x to the power 4. You take out minus sign common. X square plus 12x plus 36. Now you rewrite these terms, rearrange. So this can be written as 3x square
3x
ka,
square का whole square.
this is x ka whole square, 6 ka whole square, and this is 2 into x into 6. It is clear? So this is 3x square ka whole square. This is a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is x plus 6 whole square. Now in one bracket you will write a plus b. So 3x square plus b, that is x plus 6. A minus b 3x square minus x minus. So now you will do up to the question number 11, 12 up tak kar lenge. Next, rest of the questions I will do